Hi, today we're going to talk about a mission statement, whether it's for your company or even for your internal department. And the goal is to keep this aspirational and a continual improvement target. For example, your mission of your company is to do this. Now, you don't want to be too broad. It's to make the world a happier place. No one can get there. But perhaps it's to make a widget that inspires people to live their life to a fullest. That's a sense of purpose. And you don't make it too long. In fact, keep it as simple as possible, or if you must, only expand it to the rule of threes to include 3 attributes in your statement. Because besides, everyone remembers threes: snap, crackle, pop, red, white, and blue, even Larry, Moe, and Curly. And if you must expound upon it, then frame those as guiding principles, right? So your mission is to make widgets that inspire people to live their best life. And we do that through our guiding principles of executing, being disciplined, and supporting each other. So I hope that helps. Keep it simple so you're always focused on the task at hand and keeping that aspirational mission at the core of what you do. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you again soon.